How to upload 3-minute shorts on YouTube. First of all, let's navigate and open the YouTube app on your phone and log into your account. Once you are in, open your profile page from the bottom and then tap on the channel name to open it. Once you are in, to upload 3 minutes video, tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Next, from the top right side, tap on the 3 seconds and it will turn into 3 minutes. Now go to the video page and from your phone's media library, select the 3-minute video that you want to upload. Once selected, tap on next at the bottom right corner. On the next page, you need to enter the video title and also you can enter description as needed. To ensure that your video is uploaded as a short, make sure the video has a vertical aspect ratio 9:16. After that, tap on upload short at the bottom. Wait a few moments for the uploading to complete. And that's it. This is how you can upload a 3-minute shorts video on YouTube. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.